what's going on? So I'm here in Weston, Missouri, and I'm here at the pumpkin patch, and I just designed this new origami model. Check it out. This is an origami pumpkin, see? And it's 3D, and I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so here's what the pumpkin looks like up close. See, it is a three-dimensional pumpkin, and it's got a stem here. And on this side, it's actually got a really nice looking underside. See, it's a twist underside, and you can actually open it up, just like when I taught the hard candy container. And you can put a gift in there, or maybe a piece of candy or so. And it closes it up just like that. Yeah, and it's a really cool model. And you can put it on a desk or table, and it stands nice and stable like that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make it. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami, but you could probably manage to do it from a sheet of print paper cut square, but then you wouldn't have a color changed stem. Okay, so let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. Okay, unfold, turn over, and take this edge and fold it to the crease. Okay, unfold, and fold this edge to the crease. Okay, so this white part is going to be the stem. Okay, and now fold this up so that this crease aligns with this crease. You can actually look at it from the side, just make sure those points align right there. Okay, like that. Alright, now turn it over and fold this edge to this crease. Unfold and fold this edge to the crease. Okay, and now fold up one more time like this, and actually fold it up one more time also. Like that. Okay, so this is what we got here. And let's just go ahead and unfold it like this just temporarily. Oops. Okay, and now we're gonna fold this into 8. So fold in half. Okay, and fold in crease. So yeah, just make it into 8s. You can pause the video and do it yourself if you want. And if you're already done, you can skip to here. Okay, like this, and now fold this edge to the last crease. Okay, and fold to the first crease. Okay, don't unfold, rotate, and fold this edge to here. Okay, unfold, and fold to here. Okay, like this, now unfold. Okay, now turn over. And now we're going to make a series of diagonal folds going through this segment. So going through these things here. So, let's take this corner and fold it to this intersection. Alright, like this, crease sharply, unfold, and take this edge and fold it to this crease, and don't fold the whole thing, we're just folding on this segment. Just fold like that. Okay, and now do that, fold it to this crease, but just fold on the orange part, like that. Alright, we're just going to keep doing that until all of these have the diagonal folds. So just fold to the creases and just fold on the orange part. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this part. Okay, like this. So this is gonna be the bottom of the pumpkin. Rotate like this. And now we're gonna do a similar thing here, except we're gonna make the diagonal folds on these two segments at a time. So we're gonna fold this up right on this point, and we want this point to touch this crease. Like this. Okay. And now on here we're gonna do that all the way up. And on this next one and all the rest, we're gonna lift this crease up and anchor the fold at the point right there. Okay. And fold it up so this point touches this crease. Like that. And just keep doing that all the way up. Here we go. Again, I'll show you on this one, then I'll fast forward the rest. So anchor the fold at that point and fold this corner to this crease. Alright, just keep doing that all the way up. That one, fold it up on the point right there. That one. And fold this point to the edge. Okay, just like that. Okay, and we got one more set of pre-creases we have to do. Actually, would have been better if I'd done this earlier, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so on these diagonal folds, we actually need to make a diagonal fold next to them. So this first one, we're going to take this edge and fold it to the crease, like this. Okay? Alright, unfold and do that all the way up. And just like we did before, we're going to take this crease, lift it up, and fold it on the point, and take the edge, the crease or whatever, and fold it to the diagonal. Like that. And again here. Might be a little tricky because the extra thickness of the paper. And just keep doing that all the way up. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, this is done. Now, time to attach the two ends together. So, we're just going to overlap one segment like this. So, we're going to take this part and stick it into this pocket. Like this. And this side is going to go into this pocket, like this. And this is the hardest part of the whole model, I have to say. Okay? Because this is like a puzzle. Okay, I'll try and get the side in here. There we go. Got it. It's like a little game there. And once you got it, push it together. Alright, and just twist close the container. I'll start with the bottom of the pumpkin here. So it just pretty much should form. The crease is already there, so it should pretty much form by itself. This might be a bit tricky at first, but then once you got it, you can push it in like this and it'll be concave. Like that. See? I don't really know why it's concave like this, but I think it's cool no matter what. Okay. And here, same thing, just twist on the creases. A little bit tricky at first, but then once you got it all set, there we go, you should be able to get them all in there. And this, you don't really need to be too clean about this. Just twist it to close like this. You can even push it down a bit, like this. You don't have to make it super clean, but it'll look nice no matter what. Okay, like that. Alright, so there is the pumpkin, and that's the completed model. See, like this. And on this model, I made a couple, I made some sculpting things right here to make it a little bit more rounded. So, I'm not gonna, well, I guess I can show it. Okay. So if you want to do that, it's nice just like this too. Just open at the bottom like this and put your finger inside for support. And just make a sculpt like that. And just do that to taste. Like that. And do that all the way around too. See? And I'll just go and fast forward. See? Just like that. And that makes it look a little bit nicer, more rounded. See? It doesn't really round it too much, just like a tad. And you can just reclose the bottom like that. See? And that looks a little bit better. Maybe not quite as clean, but looks nicer though. It looks more like a pumpkin. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say, except that it is a nice container to put your candy in there or a gift in there. Close it up, and there's your pumpkin. Put it on a table, and it stands really nicely, just like this. So yeah, there it is. Well, hope we're able to make that and find it interesting and useful. And make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.